Riverside's got enough cover that you can actually like run back to your base. Oh, we're on the American side. Would you like to shoot? Tell me if you pass one in the night. I'd imagine not, seeing as their gun is like shooting. There we go. Right. Dirt bikes headed right. 3 of them. Keep shooting at that one. Taking the other 2. It's alright. 5 kills. So are you shooting at someone? What was that that just classed us? Chopper.
instead of arc.
Yeah, hang on. I'm not soloing them. No, I'm just hate takering them. It's a bit of effort. They're disabled. Alright, where are you? Down there. They crashed. It was one of the aero fags. Get in, we're taking fire. It's down. I got him. More aero people. Fine with it. There's a tank below us. And there's also a tank.
Some guy just
fucking
someone just went fucking faggot who names themselves SharkyMcShark.
What did I do?
I don't know. But apparently you're a faggot.
Fucking faggot who names themselves SharkyMcShark. I don't know a SharkyMcShark. Did you know anyone called that? Oh fuck.
I just got like shot in the back of the head, and they're indicating a flag. And they're gonna take the motorbike that I just gave them.
One hit. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, alright, you go on, I'm gonna just retort. Captured the flag? No. I'm not even... Have we? We have? No, we haven't. I don't know what the noises mean. Oh,
I don't even hear noises.
Very good. The helicopter should be... Yeah, it's taken off. I can see it. Yeah, I can see it. There's a jeep on the road. There, in the forest, dead ahead, through those trees. I think that's the guy from the bike. Prof Domington, another bike! Yep. I heard it, I didn't see it. It's alright. It's literally not... Oh, it is looking at us, isn't it? Alright, dude down there, on the bike. Too slow! Take the Jeep. Hey Jeep, that's a dead end. No, we're about to take a bath, that's fine though. Hang on, I've got to turn this around. You can't go back in for... Whoa. Hang on, just run back into the...
What the?
Interesting. Up to you. Me, nothing. I don't understand why. Kill myself. I don't understand why. I couldn't turn it around in time, so that it'll just get out, get some air because we're right next to the like border and go back in. But it just exploded. Oh, whatever. What are you on? 13!
Yo. Alright, sweet.
Alright, the helicopter is...
I was hoping to,
Oh, wait, that's a bad guy. It will bring honor to us if we are the one that... Very good.
I'll be right back to say.
Honor coupons for all. That's a soft lamp. I'm scared of soft lamps. This seems like a nice like glade to conduct our business from. Let's kill stuck down behind. Just a shaky group thing. Wow. Helicopters on the pad. If you wanna, just, you know, wait for your thing to charge. Hang on. What was that? Why are we like scratching the ground? Whatever. Anyway, sorry. Back in the act.
Hey.
I think that's an AA Jeep. Sorry, I'm aware that's a bad angle. He's repairing the AA Jeep.
I'm back.
Oh, that's a soft lamp. That's not good.
But I'm eating.
This is annoying me. There's a soft lamp there. It's spotted.
Turn my what off? Why? Can you hear me what?
Hang on, we have to wait for ECM to charge. That guy repaired the AA Jeep. It's like right over this hill. Alright, it's like in this little dip there. Or it was. There. We'll look back on that as a poor decision. This one's probably going to be our death. Get out. Just to be safe. See? Oh! Ah well. We're right next to the spawn, so I gotta... Spawn's about... here? No, it couldn't spawn under this. Yeah, it spawns about here. Oh well, here comes this. Bring your stinger. People just don't understand flying. Like, you can't just flare and then keep doing what you're doing. You have to flare and then piss off. They're probably gonna smash it to the ground now. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. AAG. Oh god, I'll get the AAG. You keep working on that. Well. God damn it. Where is it?
Wow.
Because we were being locked and you got killed by a javelin like 5 seconds ago, so...
No, I just...
Okay.
I like when people are saying get out of our spawn, scum, when the whole point of this game is to get into their base.
Yeah, the helicopter, yeah. I see it. It's in the bushes over there. It's dead. It's gone. Alright. I see the Jeep. Alright, well you keep gunning at him and I'm gonna... Oh, sorry, yep. You said below us, he's like to our right. Oh, he has. What a Penoir. Well, this is annoying. Could be flying behind you. No, get out! God damn it. Is that the second time that guy's got you? Annoying.
Yes, it is.
Oh, Chaos is...
Can you stop?
Chaos is alive.
God, fucking... I just
game.
shut my mouth because I wasn't going to argue with him.
We have to get the flag. It's on our left, down there. Oh, it's alive. Okay, helicopter dead ahead. Hasn't seen us, so... We get battle. Something's shooting at us from below and to the right.
Suck my dick, Eason. No, I'm kidding.
Hang on.
Can we...
So, yeah, I know. I'm trying to get out of the way of that soft flame, and there's something down next to our flag that's hitting us. Oh, okay, well, we're not disabled, but alright. Get your points. Is that the enemy flag? Surely someone's taking care of that. Oh, there's an APC there. That's the problem. There. Right ahead of us. There we go. What do you mean good spot? It's a giant, like, red, shining, like, Eye of Ra. Very nice. Is there like a dude up here? There's fire headed up in this direction. What is this guy shooting at? There! In the hills! Below us, there's two of them. One's got a spawn beacon. I think that's the sniper. Did you get the other one? Okay. Right. I got one and you got one.
Yeah.
Did you get him? Something's shooting on us. Oh, it's a tank. Very nice. Gunship on pad.
Damn it. Sorry, it was like ice.
Can we... There's like a lack of bad things down here, so if you just kill everything. Alright, time to run away. You've had your dinner. Let's get out of here. I need to hang around on the McDonald's playground. Come on. Well, this is me. Oh well, we're out of range. Find the gunship. There it is.
Yeah.
Very nice. There's a bike going. There's a bike going right. I reckon this is our soft land dude. Dead ahead. If you send to the crosshairs. No, it's someone else. That was the AA Humvee. I'm not actually sure that all works, to be honest. I think it only breaks the jab lock if whatever locked you initially stops locking you. Like if the soft lam dies or whatever. If you follow me. Fucking the range on these things is obscene. Or this map is too short. Yeah, that's it. Ah, fuck, I've gone the wrong direction. Forward. I said forward! Forward! For fuck!
What the hell?
Oh god. Well, that's us done, cause... I'd get out! We're on 4%, just get out, just get out. Spawn's about here. Yeah, no.
Great job. Position has been taken.
Having that laser painter is almost worth it just to like confuse choppers in like firefights.
You see anyone, Chaos?
First one. Like the one I've got no rocket pods in, or like the targeted rocket pods.
Besides the helicopter now.
Ah, spawned behind the stop lane. Get in, get in! I was pressing reload. Sorry, I was pressing reload over and over. There.
Oh, my back on me.
He landed? Looks like he's landed. We're gonna just like, pour rockets in his direction. Chaos.
Yes.
Don't do that.
1 second.
You're making my Wookie angry.
Making who?
Easternstar is basically my Wookie in this game.
What'd that do?
Okay. Well, everything's dead and our team is like in their uncap, so you know, just do your thing. Oh, sorry, hang on. Yep. That smells like a... I think we're about to die. No, we're not. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, that almost ended bad then. Alright, someone's dead there. I'm not sure what was... Whatever. Gunship dead ahead and high. He broke his lock. That's his mistake. He's finished. Good job, everyone. That's their flag. Good. You get the guy in the face. Oh, hang on, wait, they've got our flag. We're about to take a bath. It's fine. Not that much of a bath. 15 seconds left. Come on, we need to get this in the air and go like a mad suicide rush. Oh, we're being shot! Kill the helicopter! Someone's stolen it!